Hi, this is Jonathan, CEO of Neuralift, and I want to share with you today the newest feature in our product. But first, we're going to start with data. This is in Databricks. This is a customer C360 for an e-commerce brand. What's important to us before we process this data is shared with us securely, processed through NVIDIA GPUs in our deep learning neural network. And of course, every customer is going to be assigned into a segment, and that is part of what our AI pipeline is built to accomplish, understanding the affinity of different customers in this data set and putting them into segments that best differentiate your audience and your customers. So it's one row per customer with some global ID. We don't accept any PII into Neuralift, but this is going to have all of these features here, maybe some predictions that you've done, understanding preferred buying time. So these are the features of the data. There are hundreds here that we can process. This table is over 8 million customers, although this is just a sample. And we can process data from any cloud, Snowflake or Databricks or Google. And we take this, and let's show you what we do with it. We're turning that data set into customer affinity groups or clusters, what we call segments. So you can see here we've discovered 11 segments here. You can see this was 8 million customers and almost 3 billion data points here. There's a lot in the product, but what I want to show you is our newest feature. If we go into a segment, you'll see every segment has a short explanation about, the fingerprint, who these people are, but also the defining features of the segment. Defining features are important because this maps back to the data. These features here are these features here, right? We share with you the output of which is these features being ranked and weighted, and our newest feature that we have is the ability to go into any feature and see the contribution of the values there to the segment creation or segment membership. We can see here we're looking at who's purchased through the app last. We can see we have almost 1 million people who have here of the almost 1.2 million. So this is a very positive contribution to segment membership. Device preference, of course, it makes sense that these people are more mobile if they're using the app. We can see preferred buying time here, right? So these, again, are from this feature set. These are different values, and we can see how they're pushing people in or keeping people out of that segment. And this is our newest feature. For every one of the top 20 features that we share with you, you can go in and actually get even more insight and understanding here of your customers by looking at specific features that are important to the segment creation and understanding those actual values. Here's a great one with preferred buying styles. So that's what we do at Neuralift and our newest feature. Hope you've enjoyed.